Hello world, I hope you're all doing good. My name is Orko Gupta and I'm the founder and chief executive coach for the e-learning platform Your Coach AG, in short YCAG. And you're watching a series on YCAGadvises where we share a number of tips, quick tools, do's and don'ts on a wide variety of topics like business situations, business communication, presentation techniques, leadership skills and styles, etc. So today's topic is, depending on a particular situation or an audience, what is the most effective mode of communication? So let's first take a look what are the different modes of communications. There are primarily 4 modes of communication. Number 1, face-to-face, like in-person meeting, video conferences, etc. Number 2, oral communication, like phone calls. Number 3, written, like emails, chat messages, different text messages, reports, etc. And number 4, recorded messages like audio, video clips, voice calls, voice mails, recorded broadcasts, etc. So where does the problem lie? The problem lies with the confusion that depending on a particular situation, what is the most effective mode of communication? Whether writing an email, or whether making a phone call, or whether making a personal visit and talking it out. What is the most effective way to address a situation? Now, let's first dig in deeper. Every such situation will have 2 components. On one hand, there are your personal preferences guided by your strengths and weaknesses. Like you might be a better writer or a better speaker or a combination of both. On the other hand, certain situations will have different priorities, like a sensitive issue might require a personal attention, or a certain issue might require confidentiality, or certain issue might require quick resolution. So it's these priorities that will help you to decide what is the most effective mode of communication. So let's take an example. Imagine that you're a senior leader in your organization and you have decided to close down a particular business or relocate a team from one location to another. Now, sending this message to your teams or colleagues is very difficult. How do you do that? Or let's say you are an employee to an organization and you would like to escalate certain issue higher up the ladder. How do you do that? Or you might be a business partner and you want to close deal with somebody, yet you want to maintain a relationship. How do you do that? So in all this situation, what YCAG advises is to use a communication scorecard. So what is a communication scorecard? A communication scorecard is a table where vertically you have the communication modes like face-to-face, oral, written and recorded, and horizontally you have the different parameters like confidentiality, convenience, reciprocal communication, non-verbal communication, and you can extend the parameters many more, but broadly these 4 will cover the regular needs. And all you need to do is that fill up the cells with 4 different ratings like very high, high, medium, low. So how do you do that? Very simple. You can use your knowledge or your judgment or your experience to fill up the cells with very high, high, medium, low. So you get to see a comparative rating and you pick the most effective one. However, if you want to learn how to fill up these tools methodically, or a step-by-step solution, or you would like to get access to many more such tools and learn how to use them, I would strongly recommend you to register for our e-learning course called Business Communication. How do you do that? You just reach out to us by sending a mail, give us a call, send us a text, and all this information is shared at the end of the video and under the contact section. Additionally, I would also include 2 more slides on the pros and cons on the different on the 4 communication modes to help you to understand the advantages and disadvantages of these 4 communication modes, so that after that you will be able to fill up this communication scorecard by yourself. All right, so That's it for today's session. Please stay tuned and subscribe to our YouTube channel called Your Coach AG to learn more. And let me sign off by saying, keep learning, and may the force of learning be with you.